It's been an incredible month for Clear Robotics in the Philippines. On October 19th, the President of Philippines, Ferdinand Marcos Jr., launched our Clearbot Class 3. He praised Clearbot's technology and how it can help clean and restore the Pasig River.
We're also exploring new technologies that will help clean the river. One example is Clearbot, which is a solar-powered AI-enabled robotic vessel that supports our estero rangers and river warriors. This pilot initiative is being explored with the help of the Asian Development Bank and Clear Robotics.
Along with the Asian Development Bank and local government departments, we launched not one, but two Clearbots, the Class 3 and the Hyacinth Collector. Early on October 10th, the Pasig City Mayor, Vico Sotto, launched the Clearbot Hyacinth Collector. He is excited to see it in action.
It's a good step forward. It's good to see the Clearbot in person or live in action this morning.
And you can see just how effectively the Hyacinth Collector is working. Getting launched by both the President and the Mayor, that's a huge achievement for us at Clearbot. Here's to smarter tech, cleaner waters, and many more milestones ahead.